welcome to Second Love Vinted, and this is the first video, so I hope it goes well. Please just bear with me with the technical aspects of it. So yeah, in today's video I'm going to talk about how I became a seller on Vinted, how I've got the 5-star ratings, and my top tips for anyone looking to sell on there. So let's get started. I've got a nice cup of tea. So feel free to get, if you feel comfortable putting your name with any of this, like just think about what information you want other people to have on you. So for example, with the address, I just put UK only. I don't put like my full address because I don't want people to know that. So just be wary of like what you want out there. You can add a profile picture as well. So it's really just, like I say, what you're comfortable with, like profile information. And honestly just make it friendly. Like think about what you would want to see as a customer. So I say, you know, message with any questions. I say I'm UK only, so they know you know, if I'm able to sell to them or not. And you know, you could put information about what you sell so people know what to expect from your profile. Really just any information that can help the customer to know if your kind of shop is right for them. Taking pictures, so obviously once you've decided what items you want to sell, taking pictures is the first step, and it's really important that you take very clear images. So make sure they're not blurry, make sure it's really good lighting. You want the customer to really be able to see the item, and take as many as possible. So when I'm doing an item, I'll do, for example, if it's a top, I'll do the front, the back, the sleeves, the collar, any marks, I'll do the label, and if it's a print t-shirt, I'll really focus on the print as well. Make sure that you really show any signs of wear or any marks. It's really important to be an honest seller, because that's how you get your ratings and that's how you get customers coming back to buy the item. Obviously I say thank you. It's really important to, you know, have that good connection with your customers, but I also say, you know, just to make you aware, in the description it does say that this. And I think they really appreciate that honesty. Another like really good tip is to use pictures of the items on like the models of the website or on yourself, you know, showing how the item can be worn. I think customers really enjoy that, because then they can see like, oh, it kind of fits in this way, or you can like have it this way, and it gives them ideas, and it can like kind of see themselves in the item, which I think is good. Description. Be honest about the state of the item, and we've already covered that. But also you really want to sell it. At the end of the day, you want to make money, you want to sell as many items as possible. So you want people to buy your items and to click on them, because obviously there's a lot of people selling on Vinted. So this is key, so write this down. Hashtags. Okay, really use hashtags, as many as you can think of. Think about what you would search if you wanted that item. So I'm going on a night out, I want to buy something on Vinted. I'd probably search cute top, party dress, or even like clubbing outfit, night out outfit, event outfit. Really get in the mind of your customer, and state things like essential item or trend, or the brand's like name in the description. Give as much information as possible as well, like the size, the brand. For example, if it looks kind of more green on the pictures than it does in real life, state that. As use words like in the description, like essential item or brand new or unused. Those words are really good. Pricing. Okay, a really good tip is to do discount for bundles. This encourages the customer to buy more items. You can set it on different percentages, so I think it's for like, is it for 2 items, 3 items, 5 items, I think, but I might have that wrong. But anyway, like you could do different percentages. So I would suggest starting at the lowest and seeing if you get any sales. If you're really struggling for sales, then you can increase that. And I always do the highest percentage for the most items. If you have a new item and it says on the tag £20, don't then go and put it up for £40, because people are going to look at that and say, well, I can get it in the shop for £20. So be really realistic. Be open to offers. If someone kind of comes to you and they, you know, put in an offer and it's not exactly what you want, you can decline it and make an offer back. So you could do like, okay, 50p more, kind of meet in the middle. And another really good tip is if someone, I've started to do this, if someone's favorited my item, I'll put it down a price, because then they're like, oh, like it's just going down a little bit, I'll go and get it now. Or I'll message them and say, hi, if you've got any questions, you know, we really open to offers. So making that contact first is really good as well. I usually reduce the price if it's not selling. So each week I'll kind of look at what's not selling and I'll reduce the prices then. And obviously start your highest, so whatever you want, start at that and then just go lower. Postage. I use Royal Mail 48-hour track, and I really advise to use it, especially using tracked postage, because you have that confirmation that you've sent it and it's been delivered. So you have that security. If there's any issues, you've got evidence that you actually did send it. And a really good thing about Royal Mail is they will bring, there's an option where they can bring the label to you. So if you do click and collect, it's not click and collect, I'm thinking of Tesco. I think it's like collect an item, so free of charge they'll come and get it for you. So yeah, it's really simple. All you have to do is just package the item and then they will sort it all out for you. And I always send a notification when the item's been collected and when it's been delivered to the customer, so you always have that proof. I really recommend only sending one parcel at a time. I had an incident where I sent 3 items on one day and 2 of them got mixed up and I had to rearrange postage, and it was a massive nightmare. Luckily the customers were really nice about it. But yeah, now I only send 1 a day, so I really recommend. In terms of packaging, it's a really delicate item. I'd use bubble wrap and really wrap that up. But honestly, I just use a shopping bag and sellotape, and that's worked really well. So yeah, so they were my top tips. I hope there was some that were useful in there. If you have any questions, honestly, just comment down below and I'll, you know, try to help out. But yeah, I think it's really good to like always just share your top tips and share things with people, like to help people make money and help people be successful. So yeah, please share in the comments if you have any as well, and happy selling everyone.